Okay guys, so there are so many AI tools to help you create content these days, but then how do you go about editing, formatting, and making this content human as a marketer? Because when you write a copy using AI, you cannot convey emotions the same way a human would. And as a marketer, you must master the art of conveying feelings and make people want what you're actually promoting in your copy. And to be honest, this can never be achieved with AI. So today, I'm going to show you the most unique WordPress plugin that will allow you to do just that and share your workload with your teammates as well. Okay, so let me show you. Very good. So the most popular tool nowadays to create content using AI is ChatGPT. So you could ask a simple question like this one here. So write a complete blog post titled AI Writing Tips for Digital Marketers, Boost Your Content Game. That covers this solution, multicollab.com. And this is the content that ChatGPT has created for us. So now all you have to do is basically copy and paste this into your blog post and it will look something like this. So now I presume you want to give it your own personal touch and also maybe get some feedback from your teammates and co-workers. So how can you do so? It's very, very easy. Right here on top, we have a share button. So this is a very unique feature from Multicollab. With it, you can invite any of your team members to join you and collaborate on the same blog post. And for this, all you need is their email address. So let's invite David here as an example. And now you can assign a role as well. So is David a viewer or commenter or a co-editor? So let's say he will be a co-editor in this case, okay? And then you can also add a message to that email. So perhaps something like this, you know, hi Dave, need your help with the latest blog post, thanks. And then you can send that message. And as you can see, a confirmation that the invitation was sent. And this is the email that David will receive. So you are invited to collaborate and the title of the blog post and the personal message right here as well. And now to access the blog post, all he has to do is click on this button and he will access it without needing any credentials. And once logged in, this is what David will see. So he will have access to the exact same blog post that you're working on. And if you click here by the side, you can see who's working on the blog post as well. And now you can start collaborating on the same blog post. So let me show you a few of the amazing features. So let's say you're going through all the content here and you think that the first paragraph is not punchy enough, it's not grabbing your attention immediately. You can now leave an inline comment. So basically grab all this, okay, and then click on the plus sign. And now you can leave a message. So now if it's just the two of you, you can just type the message. Now, if you are more than two people working together, you can use the @ sign as well to actually tag someone specifically. So as you can see, I'm going to tag John Doe here specifically, and then you can type your message. So for instance, can you rewrite this to be more punchy and grab the reader's attention immediately? And now you can also assign this to John Doe immediately, in which case he will be responsible for marking it as done. And if it's left unticked, well, basically either of you can do so, okay? So let's post our comment. And now from John Doe's screen, he can read your message and make all the changes accordingly. So let's say he's going to change this content here for something else. And now that this is sorted out, we can post a reply and then mark it as done. Very good. As you can see, those changes have taken place, and you can also go by the side here if you click on the Multicollab logo and you have a quick overview of all the activities taking place on your blog post. Now let me show you another amazing feature. If you go to the settings here, you can enable the suggest edit. So once this is activated, you'll get a confirmation like we can see here. And now let's put this to the test. And let me show you what it does exactly. So let's say you're working on this paragraph here. You notice the first sentence. Multicollab is a cutting-edge AI-powered platform designed to streamline the content creation process. Now maybe you want to change this accordingly to fit your type of industry. So instead of content creation, you want to change this to copywriting, okay? So let's say I'm going to highlight this. And now look what's going to happen. As you can see, this is enabled. The suggest edit is enabled. Now if I hit the delete key, this is crossed off all together now, and I can suggest an edit. So I'm going to type the word that I want to replace it with. So for instance, copywriting. And as you can see, this is recorded immediately here by the side. Now anyone coming along can either accept the suggestion or reject the suggestion. So see what happens when I accept it. And there you go. As you can see, our suggestion and changes have taken place. Now let me show you another type of edit that you can suggest. So for instance, if I wanted to emphasize the word copywriting here, I can put this in bold and italic as an example. And as you can see, this too is recorded here by the side. And again, anyone coming along can either accept or reject the suggestion. So let's reject it this time. And as you can see, the world is back to its original state. And also, when it comes to marketing and copywriting, you might want to jazz things up a little bit, or maybe attach documents to your comments. So how can you do so? Let's say if I was to emphasize this sentence here, I'm going to add an inline comment. I'm going to type John Doe. And now I'm going to type a message here. So perhaps you could say something like this. And hey, John, how about we add a chart in between here to back this statement up? And then now you can even attach a file. Okay, click on the paperclip here. And now you can go to your media library and select a file or upload a new file altogether. So this could be a PDF file. This could be any image, maybe JPEG or PNG. So let's insert this one as an example. So select and then post your comment. And now from David's screen, he can read your message. So if he clicks on it, he's going to bring him directly to this section. And I can access the image simply by clicking on it. It will open up in a new tab. There you go. And I can use this. And now David can add the image accordingly, follow all the steps, and finally mark this as resolved. Okay, guys, so thank you for watching. Now, if you are interested and would like to try this out for yourself, we offer a 30-day free trial of our Pro plan where you can test all the Multicollab features. So for this, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below, and this will bring you to this page. And under the Pro heading, simply click on this button here. Now simply enter a few details, and that's it. You're ready to enjoy the Pro version of Multicollab for free for 30 days. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.